Hi, welcome to the ELECTRO-MASTER channel. Today we're testing the YCD8582D soldering station to see if it's worth the money. Thanks for subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Now let's get straight to work. I bought the station from Germany through a friend, and I asked him to test it before sending it to me, just to make sure it works. So if you see the package already opened inside, it's not because I've used it. It was only checked beforehand. According to the manual, the YCD8582D is a 2-in-1 model with a hot air gun and a soldering iron. The hot air gun has a power of 750 watts with an adjustable temperature between 100 and 480 degrees Celsius and an airflow of about 120 liters per minute. The soldering iron has 70 watts and an adjustable temperature between 200 and 480 degrees, with plus or minus 1 degree Celsius stability. The station runs on 230 volt power, features a digital display for both tools, and has an automatic standby function. It is ESD protected, meaning it won't damage components sensitive to electrostatic discharge. The station comes with several soldering iron tips and hot air gun nozzles, each in different shapes and sizes. The soldering iron tips are designed for various soldering tasks, from working on very small SMD components to soldering thicker pins. The hot air nozzles direct the airflow onto different areas, round ones for individual components and wider ones for larger sections of the board. Choosing the right nozzle or tip allows you to work more precisely and reduces the risk of damaging nearby parts. I've turned on the soldering iron and I can see it heats up quickly. The internal heating element brings the tip up to the set temperature in just a few seconds, which means you waste less time waiting and can start working right away. The built-in thermostat keeps the temperature stable, so there are no large fluctuations during soldering. Now I'm heating up a few solder joints on a circuit board, and I can see it's working really well. The solder melts quickly, I don't have to stay long on the component, and everything goes smoothly. Now I'm testing the hot air gun and I can see it heats up quickly. In just a few seconds it reaches the set temperature and it's ready to work. I'm going to test the hot air gun on an integrated circuit. Heating the area, let's see. Yes, it's starting to come off. Works well. As you can see, I've desoldered the IC quite quickly. It does its job well, and I'm happy with the result. One thing I don't really like is that when I put the hot air gun in the stand, it makes a bit of an annoying noise. Kind of irritating if you work with it for a long time. Overall, for a price of around 60 euros, the YCD858 2D station delivers very good performance. It works efficiently both for soldering and desoldering with the hot air gun. The build quality and features exceed expectations for this price range. How it will hold up over time remains to be seen, but for now, it seems like a fair investment for hobbyists and technicians on a budget. That was the test of the YCD858 2D station. I hope it was helpful and gave you a clear idea about this equipment. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tests and reviews. See you soon in the next video.